USCIS officially launched a new electronic payment system that allows you to pay directly from your US bank account. Now, this is called the ACH Debit payment, and it works by submitting a new form, which is the form G1650, authorization to pay for ACH transaction, together with your petition or application. Now, in this video, I will discuss why this ACH debit payment is a smart move for petition writers and show you how you could fill this G1650. So stick around to the end of this video as I'll be displaying the form online. This change marks a major step forward in making USCIS payment faster, safer, and more efficient. And if you or someone you know is preparing to file your petition, share this video with them so that they don't miss the new rules and how to be ahead of the information. There is a few critical things you must keep in mind. Make sure you have a bank account that has enough funds to cover the fees. And if your ACH payment is denied, USCIS may reject your entire petition. You must also have a US bank account to use the form G1650. And if you don't have one, you can still pay by credit card using the form G1450, including prepaid credit cards. And I've done a video on that. See the link in the description. Let's talk about why I think that this is a better option for petition filers. Because I think that credit card also get declined all the time because of temporary holds, international card flags, daily limits, fraud detection triggers. And these are things you know about. USCIS doesn't call you for a new card. They just reject the whole package and ship it back to you. Now, what of this ACH? The decline rate is under 0.1%. As long as you actually have the money in your US bank account, it goes through. In practice, the decline rate for properly prepared ACH payments is under 0.1% versus several percentage points for credit cards submitted via G1450. Now, I think this is a win for the ACH payment. Security is another clear win for ACH. From G1650 requires only routing and accounting number, typically provided with a void check, that which you all know. So no full 16-digit card payment, CVV, or expiration date is ever transmitted to or stored by USCIS. Credit card details submitted on G1450, while eventually destroyed by USCIS, still pass through payment processor and create one more point potential exposure of your credit card, payment. But finally, when premium processing is involved, which is the 2805 for EB1A and EB2, ACH essentially guarantees the 15-day clock starts and continues uninterrupted. A credit card decline or larger chargeback can stop the premium processing clock or void the upgrade altogether, costing both time and non-refundable premium fee. Now, ACH eliminates that risk completely, which is what I think. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notification for more immigration news so that you don't miss any of my videos. Now, I know a bunch of you are sitting there thinking, okay, fine, ACH is safer, but I've never filled out a G1650 in my life, and I'm terrified of screwing it up. Trust me, you are not alone. And if you follow what I'm about to show you in these next 2-3 minutes of this video, and I guarantee your payment will go smoothly, and your premium processing clock, as the case may be, will start on day one. So grab your G1650, pull the form up from your screen, and let's fill it out together, line by line, and right now. Now let's go ahead and look at this video. And now, here is my recommendation. I recommend that you fill this form on your computer, and when you finish filling the form, print it and sign. So let's go with the first part, which is the applicants or petitioners or requesters information. You put your first name. You can see my first name is there, Chidozie, my middle name Dozie Kaho, and my family name Dozikaho, and it's asking also for bank account holder information. And for me, it is personal account, and the name on the account holder's name as it appears on the account is Chiedozie, and the middle name is Dozikaho, and the family name is Dozikaho. Now, if you're also using a bank, now they want you to put in your bank account information, and for me, my bank type is a checking account. Now, if you also have a savings account, just click the one that is appropriate for you. Now, you also they're asking you for routing number. I've put in my routing number 123456789, and my account number. I put in my account number, and my bank name is Bank of Dozikaho. And you could see my authorized payment amount is 715, which is the amount for the I-140 form. And like I mentioned, you should print out this form and put in your signature on the place where they say account holder's signature. And this is a one-page form, and I think it is one of the easiest form for you to fill, and you cannot make mistake. Now, go ahead, fill this form and submit your petition. So do this right now. Drop ACH gang in the comments if you are feeling with G1650 because of this video, and if you know someone who is about to fail with credit card, just tag them and send them this video. Be their hero. Hit the like button if you are never using G1450 again. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell, because I'm dropping new videos on what is actually working right now in regards to the EB1A and EB2 NIW. I will see you in my next video.